Hi everybody, my name is Heavenly and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Mirage Kenny South Park figure. And this is my first time opening a Mirage Kenny, and this is going to be very different from the last two Kennys that we opened. So let's just jump right into this. I'm going to go take our Kenny out of the box and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back and Kenny is free. And this is what Kenny looks like out of the box. I'm going to do a little turn. Now, one thing about the Mirage figures in specific is they have very posable heads. Like, you can really maneuver them. And this is the same for pretty much every other one I have. But they do not have any articulation other than the turning of the heads. But they are a very nice size, especially to carry around. I just think they look like really cool on the shelves. For comparison, this is the Kenny that I'm usually used to. This is the first Kenny I got. This is the Mezco Kenny. He's a lot smaller. A lot smaller. But definitely does make sense with the size of the other figures and the scale of the other figures. And I would say he's a little bit more articulated and comes with a few more extra accessories, but I would definitely say that the Mirage ones are a bit more durable. And honestly, I think they're both equally good. It just depends on what style you prefer. And honestly, for me, I prefer having a little bit of everything from South Park because it's all so cool. And then another thing I wanted to show about Kenny is, as my mom says, and this is the only time that she'll ever say this, his cute rats. She is so scared of rats. She is not a fan at all. But for Kenny's rats, she's been calling them the cute rats, that's the second time I've dropped that, which is actually kind of very funny. But they are definitely cute. Look at that. And that's another thing that I find very fascinating about the Mirage figures is the way that they handle the accessories that they do come with, especially since they're on a larger scale. You really do get a really immersive experience with whichever accessories they come with. And I love just the way that they did Kenny's face. It's just so accurate. Also, another thing that I really like about them is that they stand really well, which is really good for the type of content that I do, because oh my god, there are certain figures of mine, I'm not gonna name any names, that are so hard to stand. Quagmire. I mean, oh my god, the entire time that I'm making a video with them, I am just constantly fighting with them. Quagmire. So I really appreciate that about them. But yes, this is pretty much everything I have to say for our Kenny. He is so cute, and I could actually see, even though he's kind of older, I could see doing like some very light, very careful outside videos with him. Of course, nothing as dramatic as my Family Guy figures, but I could see, you know, maybe taking him someplace sometime, because he is very cute to just hold and have him walking around like this. But if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this video, then make sure to like this video and comment below if you like this video. And make sure to subscribe, because I really want to get to 100K before my 18th birthday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody!